Daily garden check. Oh, it's swollen from the rain. Got it. Oh, a pea. Another one. Oh my goodness. There's quite a few. Some beans. My dog barking. Oh my. Focus. Little baby tomatoes. Another one. Excellent. My mending must be working. You know you're not allowed in the garden. Oh. Hey, there's baby tomatoes on this one too. I need to go get some twine to help this guy stay up. These peppers are getting so big. Nobody's answering my question if when to harvest, so I guess I have to Google it. You coming out, Miss Missy? Come on. Come out. We got some strawberries. Got codes. Just a little bit of sun and everything's growing like crazy. I'm gonna have to also Google when to harvest chamomile and how to trim this down. And today I'm gonna make some herbal tea with mint. Okay, let's give this guy some love. Got some twine. We're gonna stake him up better. I need a taller stake. It's growing very tall. I've never had my tomatoes grow this tall before. So I don't know.